All right, guys, so today I wanted to do a cool unboxing install review on my new smartwatch. I wanted to get one. This one got all busted up, so time for a replacement. But I didn't want to go all out, so this one I think does all of it. Check that out. Let's be honest though. Come on. Right? Well, I wanted to hook it up directly to my phone. It does come with its charger. I gotta say, man, this face actually is really nice. I want to make sure y'all see that. Like, that is really, really clean. I know it does just about everything that the other one does. So let's hook it up now and see how it works. All right, as you can see, it comes with the instructions. So I went ahead and scanned the QR code with my phone. As you can see, it took me straight to the app. I downloaded the app, showed it to pair. The process is very, very simple, as you can see. Once I had it downloaded, I already started changing the screen on it. The setup process was really simple. And like I said, it's going to ask you for a couple questions on here just to fully do the setup for the health part. All right, guys, I went ahead and hooked it up, and I already changed the display. I think that one looks a lot cooler, but there's so many options to choose from for the watch face. You can do custom as well, but I kind of like that one. So I kind of want to go over some of the features. Like, it was super easy to install. I downloaded the app, and then I literally just started messing with it. So I'll go ahead and show you here. So it's got, make sure we're back. Okay, so your steps, your activity, go back, your messages. So I wanted to do one live real quick. So I'm going to send one from my other phone. So I just sent it. Let's see if it shows up here as a notification. And there it is, test. So that is super neat. So you get all your notifications right on your watch. Very, very cool. And then you can access them all right on here. And then I'll keep going. So you can also access your voice assistant, which I thought was very cool. If you tap here, it'll start activating your Hey Siri on your phone. So very, very cool. Like, this thing will control everything. It does the breathing, it does the sleep, the stress, it controls your music player, the health. Like, this is very, very cool. Like, I'll put it on just because I think it looks really cool. That kind of goes with what I'm wearing too, so. But I normally wear my watch anyway. The cool thing is this watch will work with both Apple and Android. Look at that. That is sick. I like it. So if you guys are looking for a great watch, I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.